What is possible when using Chat GPT? Let's look at it. So Chat GPT is a language model that enables you to answer questions, generate text, do language translation, content summarization, creative writing, or do language learning. And each of our side hustle mentions in this course will touch on one aspect of what is possible with ChatGPT. And here we also see that you can have ChatGPT as your personal assistant. You can use it as an educational tool or to creatively solve problems. So, what if people have an issue and you aren't sure how to profitably solve their problems? You can ask ChatGPT for ideas. Please note that to get the best of both worlds from knowledge and current affairs, you would have to update to ChatGPT 4. And here we go asking GPT who does it benefit, who does it help? And ChatGPT is for everyone, but here it identifies a few people specifically, and these are individuals seeking information, content creators, language learners, personal assistants, students and researchers, and creative individuals. And you taking this course might fall into one of those groups. As I said, ChatGPT is a language tool and it can assist anyone and everyone. And I'm pretty sure that even if you speak French or Portuguese, Spanish, or any other language, you can still benefit from ChatGPT and its functionalities. And what does ChatGPT help you do for the most part? It helps you with information and knowledge, idea generation and inspiration, language practice and learning, writing assistance, personal productivity, and casual conversations. And all of these things are elements and tasks and projects that someone would need assistance with. And of course, since someone needs help with it, you can start a business with one of these models, and boring businesses will always be around. People will always be talking, and people will always need information about different topics and how to approach things. And as such, you can use GPT to start basically any side hustle, and we will start looking at the ones you can start right as you finish a video or go on to finish the entire course.